Hello, this is the story of fire. In the era when early humans, Homo erectus, walked the earth, they lived as hunter-gatherers, depending on their surroundings for food and shelter. But there was one element that would change everything. Fire originally came from nature. Lightning strikes caused forest fires, but drought also made everything more flammable. Our ancestors were fascinated and started using fire. Scientists have found evidence of charred wood and bones in various places in Africa, such as Kenya and South Africa, dating back 1.5 million years. This suggests that Homo erectus not only lived near natural fire, but perhaps even used it by taking a glowing stick from a wildfire and keeping the fire going by feeding it with dry material. Fire brought warmth on cold nights. It offered protection from predators, but perhaps most importantly, it allowed early humans to cook food. From this point on, there was no turning back. Fire became a fundamental part of human evolution. What do you think? Would we live like chimpanzees without the use of fire? Thanks for watching and have a nice day.